I think you are searching about bathroom shower head, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality bathroom shower head? Need free shipping bathroom shower head? Looking for shower head made with turbocharger technology? Looking for water saving and booster shower head? If the answer is yes, then let's go and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best bathroom shower head. Number 1. VEHHE bathroom shower head, and the feature is type fixed rotatable type. Material ABS plastic. Working temperature 1 to 90 degree. Size 20 x 2, 6.5 x 2, 11 x 5 centimeters. Feature 30% water saving, 300% booster, mirror surface, laser drilling. Let's go for number 2. 300 hole pressurized water saving shower head, and the feature is material ABS plus chrome. Looking good looking, simple outline, elegant lines, fashion. Feature easy to use, group hole design, relaxed spa. Panel size approximately 80 mm into 40 mm into 30 mm. Technology LUV-Limiting Turbocharger technology, water saving 30%. Let's go for number 3. Zhang G bathroom shower head, and the feature is material ABS plastic and chrome. Panel diameter 11 centimeters. Length 22.5 centimeters. Working temperature 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Features multi-layer surface with chrome plating, 5 spray modes.